हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम हॉर्टिकल्चर ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज़ के पार्ट 7 को देखने वाले हैं। इसके पहले के सभी पार्ट हमारे चैनल पर अपलोडेड हैं। अगर आप किसी भी एग्रीकल्चर या हॉर्टिकल्चर से रिलेटेड एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो आप इन सभी वीडियो को ध्यान से देख लें। इसी के साथ हम अपने वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। कैलिक्स स्प्लिटिंग इज़ द मेजर डिसऑर्डर ऑफ कार्नेशन। कैलिक्स स्प्लिटिंग इज़ द मेजर डिसऑर्डर ऑफ कार्नेशन. Glory of East is the common name of chrysanthemum. Glory of East is the common name of chrysanthemum. Haldi Ghati is off-season cultivar of chrysanthemum. Haldi Ghati is off-season cultivar of chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum charm is the variety of marigold. Chrysanthemum charm is the variety of marigold. Chromosome number of French marigold is 48. Chromosome number of French marigold is 48. Among following species of orchid, which is temperate one? Cymbidium. Among following species of orchid, which is temperate one? Cymbidium. Cymbidium. Dendrobium is propagated by means of division. Dendrobium is propagated by means of division. Zinnia comes under which category? Summer annual. Zinnia comes under which category? Summer annual. Rose is the national flower of England. Rose is the national flower of England. Raja Ram Mohan Rai variety of rose is classified under which group? HT group. Raja Ram Mohan Rai variety of rose is classified under which group? HT group. Most serious disease of rose is dieback. Most serious disease of rose is dieback. Desert charm is the variety of rose. Desert charm is the variety of rose. Carnation is the national flower of Spain. Carnation is the national flower of Spain. Tissue culture is common in orchid. Tissue culture is common in orchid. Annual flower of Indian origin is Gomphrena. Annual flower of Indian origin is Gomphrena. Popular climber of Indian origin is Gloriosa superba. Popular climber of Indian origin is Gloriosa superba. Ficus elastica is a popular indoor plant. Ficus elastica is a popular indoor plant. Annual flower suited for planting in shade, Cineraria. Annual flower suited for planting in shade is Cineraria. Pallas is the common name for Cassia fistula. Pallas is the common name for Cassia fistula. Disbudding is commonly practiced for obtaining better bloom in chrysanthemum. Disbudding is commonly practiced for obtaining better bloom in chrysanthemum. Largest genera of orchid is Bulbophyllum. Largest genera of orchid is Bulbophyllum. Botanical name of Amalthus is Cassia fistula. Botanical name of Amalthus is Cassia fistula. National flower of Japan is chrysanthemum. National flower of Japan is chrysanthemum. Which of the following have South African origin? Gladiolus. Which of the following flower crop has South African origin? Gladiolus. Duranta is mainly used as hedge plant. Duranta is mainly used as hedge plant. Which of the flowering annual do not produce flower? Kochia. Which of the flowering annual do not produce flower? Kochia. Snapdragon is the common name of Antirrhinum. Snapdragon is the common name of Antirrhinum. Pusa Tara is the variety of Coreopsis. Pusa Tara is the variety of Coreopsis. Dimorpho Dimorphotheca is commonly known as Cape marigold. Dimorphotheca is commonly known as Cape marigold. Trimming of hedges is done when it attains a height of 15 cm. Trimming of hedges is done when it attains a height of 15 cm. Which plant comes under age category? Justicia. Which plant comes under age category? Justicia. Varlaria comes under which category? Shrub. Varlaria comes under which category? Shrub. Family of Lantana camera is Verbenacea. Family of Lantana camera is Verbenacea. Phyllanthus nivosus is the botanical name of showbush. Phyllanthus nivosus is the botanical name of showbush. Which climber is of Indian origin? Chameli, railway creeper, Madhulata. Which climber is of Indian origin? Chameli, railway creeper, Madhulata. Which bulb plant prefer cool climate? Narcissus. Which bulb plant prefer cool climate? Narcissus. Tuberose is propagated by bulb. Tuberose is propagated by bulb. First ranking foliage plant in the world is Dieffenbachia. First ranking foliage plant in the world is Dieffenbachia. Century plant is the common name of agave. Century plant is the common name of agave. Dillonyx regia is the botanical name of gulmohar. Dillonyx regia is the botanical name of gulmohar. Which tree is preferred in drought-prone areas? Jungle jalebi. Which tree is preferred in drought-prone areas? Jungle jalebi. Which flower represents purity? Lily. Which flower represents purity? Lily. The Byron Park is situated in which state? Tamil Nadu. The Byron Plant Park is situated in which state? Tamil Nadu. Dr. B.P. Pal is the variety of Bougainvillea. Dr. B.P. Pal is the variety of Bougainvillea. International Registration Authority for Rose is situated at USA. International Registration Authority for Rose is situated at USA. Leading flower product exporting country in the world is Netherlands. Leading flower product exporting country in the world is Netherlands. State having maximum area under floriculture, Karnataka. State having maximum area under floriculture, Karnataka. Bharat Sundari is the variety of hibiscus. Bharat Sundari is the variety of hibiscus. Pinjure Garden was made by Ranjit Singh. Pinjure Garden was made by Ranjit Singh. Which is flower state of India? West Bengal. Which is flower state of India? West Bengal. Chrysanthemum is a cross-pollinated crop. Chrysanthemum is a cross-pollinated crop.